In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign using ChatGPT, Figma, Klaviyo, and Shopify. We'll go through the full workflow from planning the message all the way to testing the final email before it goes out. This process is useful if you want to create marketing emails faster while still keeping the design clean, clear, and effective. Start by opening ChatGPT and describing the goal of your email campaign. Be specific about what you want the email to achieve. For example, you might want to promote a product launch, announce a sale, recover abandoned carts, or welcome new subscribers. The clearer your goal is, the better the output will be. You can also mention the tone you want, such as friendly, premium, urgent, or playful, along with any important product details or offer information. Next, ask ChatGPT to create the email copy and a layout idea. This gives you a strong starting point for both the writing and the structure. You can request a subject line, preview text, headline, body copy, button text, and even a suggested section order. If the first version feels too long or too generic, refine it. Ask for a shorter version, a more sales-focused version, or something that better matches your brand voice. Once the copy is ready, open Figma and create an email design frame. This is where you turn the idea into a visual layout. Add the headline, body text, images, and call to action button into the frame. As you build, focus on readability. Make sure there is enough spacing between sections, keep the text easy to scan, and use a button that stands out clearly. If you already have brand fonts, colors, or image styles, apply them here to keep everything consistent. After that, use AI or design references to improve the layout. This doesn't mean changing the message or adding new sections. It simply means refining the presentation. Look at spacing, alignment, hierarchy, and image placement. A small improvement in layout can make the email feel much more polished and professional. Then open Klaviyo and create a new email campaign. From there, rebuild or import the email design into Klaviyo. As you do this, check that the formatting stays clean and that the mobile version looks just as good as the desktop version. Email design needs to be responsive, so always preview both. Finally, connect the campaign to your Shopify store and test the email before sending. Make sure links go to the correct product or collection pages, images load properly, and the call to action works as expected. Send yourself a test email and review it carefully. Once everything looks right, your campaign is ready to launch.